Matty Crypto. Is it just me, or has it felt like we've been in a bear market for like 2 years? Ridiculous. Ever since like the end of 2017. I feel like we've been all of 18, basically the last 5 months of 2019. So it feels very, very fantastic to look at old coin market cap and look at all these green numbers. This is the last 24 hours. Top 100 cryptocurrencies. I'll scroll real fast, give you your daily seizure. Look at that. Top 100 cryptocurrencies. When's the last time you've seen every single one of them in the greeny green? The top one, the Mufasa, Lion King of them all, Bitcoin, 8% on the day. And take a little peeky peek in the last 30 days. Up almost 2,000 bones. If we take a look at the chart, forgive my internet, I got 1997 AOL. So April the 11th, we're right around 5,000 USD. Today, May 11th, we are hovering around 7,000. Are you kidding me? 6,954. This is crazy levels here. Truly, people kept saying, for the last, month or so, this could be the start of the bull run. This could be the start of the bull run. All right, I'm convinced. This is the start of the bull run. BTC dominance, we're looking at probably around 58%. Yep. Hey, 57.8% BTC dominance. But the last couple of days, altcoins have been tanking. But today, you can't say that anymore. Altcoins are picking back up. Some of these alts are up around 20, 15%. All right, this is crazy town. This is real deal Holyfield territory now as far as bull markets go. Bears are no more. We got the start of the bulls. Even in the face of, in the U.S., we have, believe it or not, congressmen, U.S. congressmen, senators, even today, a Democratic congressman was saying this week that he wants to ban cryptocurrencies. Come on, man. That makes me want to get into cryptocurrencies even more. What do you mean ban cryptocurrency? Listen, not only U.S. governments and governments anywhere, I want the most limited government possible. Get out of my life as much as possible. Keep me safe. Keep our borders safe. Keep the people safe. Take care of the roadways. Make sure everybody is safe. But as far as a government is concerned, can't you give me the most amount of freedom that I possibly can have? Let me make the decisions in my day-to-day life. Let me handle that kind of stuff. If I want to get into Bitcoin or any kind of cryptocurrency, shouldn't that be my decision? Why is a peer-to-peer transaction a voluntary transaction with somebody else? Why is that anybody's business? I just don't understand it. That's the whole concept of cryptocurrency, is to get away from any kind of government regulations. This has nothing to do with U.S. government, by the way. I'm saying any kind. And cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, it transcends any kind of country's government. This is a true international phenomenon. No matter where you go, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, wherever you are, it is the same everywhere. One Bitcoin is one Bitcoin. That's the beautiful thing about it. It's why it's so disruptive. It's why people still want to ban cryptocurrencies, is because it takes away government in your life. You don't need that anymore. And I think it's why even today in 2019, they're talking about banning cryptocurrencies. It's ridiculous. But that's not what this video is about. This is about a true start of the Bitcoin run we've all been waiting for. When you see green numbers like this, makes me a very happy panda. I wanted to show you guys this article on the Crypto Globe today. It talks about Bitcoin's price breaking key resistance level. Now, a critical resistance level for me was about 5,350 bones. Now, back in November of 2018, there was a support level that was around 6,400, okay? Now, that resistance level, when you had a support of that, let me kind of scroll down here and see something I want to talk about. That the 6,400 level for me, that support broke BTC, when that support level was broken, BTC fell down to about 3,200 before that started to recover. And that was in 2018. November 2018 was when that 64 $100 support was broken. And once that broke, like I said, it fell to 3,200, and now we're starting to slowly recover. And up until now, this year, BTC, Bitcoin, has performed. It's outperformed gold, and it's outperformed the S&P 500. And this article talks about what's behind Bitcoin's price performance. It's unclear, which I agree with that, although their theories abound. Some believe that BTC breaking above the 200-day moving average and scoring a golden cross last month. And if you're unfamiliar with what a golden cross is, basically look at it this way. A golden cross is when the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average, they cross each other. And it's when the 50-day crosses above the 200-day. When that happens, again, when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, that typically is a good sign of a bull market that's starting, okay? So other points is growing adoption. And this has been happening for years. People kept talking about mass adoption is coming, the accumulation of a growing adoption of not only Bitcoin, but cryptocurrency in general. It has to come. Bitcoin is over 10 years old. People are talking about it over and over. There's many more people involved in blockchain technology, and cryptos are coming. Thousands of cryptos are on the market. It's inevitable. Nothing is going to stop it. Nothing's going to stop us. Give me a comment if you know that song. I'm going to give somebody some crypto. But nothing is going to stop cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. It is absolutely inevitable. Nobody knows exactly why this new bull run is coming, but it is here to stay with those kind of numbers. It is sustainable. That 5,300 critical resistance number is shattered. That 6,400 level is shattered. Now we are hovering around $7,000 for a Bitcoin. This is crazy town. Again, this is good poop. Earlier this month, crypto exchange Bitfinex was accused by New York Attorney General of covering up $850 million loss, fraud. I don't think even bad headlines like this are going to stop. Even like I was telling you earlier about the guy in Congress saying he wants to ban cryptocurrencies. You can FUD all you want, and those kind of headlines and the hacking of Binance, like 40 million loss in Bitcoin, even these big headlines, and that's going to be the things that are pushed over and over and over. Any kind of negative thing, media is going to push. They're going to downplay the good and always uplift and push the bad. It's not going to matter. Cryptocurrency and blockchain is here to stay, and the younger generation is much more inclined to get into cryptocurrency than they would into stocks and bonds and S&P. It's just the way it is, okay? Altcoins are going to follow Bitcoin's lead. It already is happening today. Folks, I would encourage you, if you're on the sidelines with cryptocurrency, now is the time to really get in and get serious about looking into cryptocurrencies, all kinds of blockchain technologies. Educate yourself, not only in cryptocurrencies, but any kind of coding. Just get into this right now, okay? We are still, even though we're over 10 years old, this kind of technology is still in its infancy, and a lot of these top cryptocurrencies, you can still get these things for, look at XRP. I'm not a huge fan of XRP and the utility of it, but for 30 cents, 33 cents, dang, up 10% today. 30 cents or so, you can still get XRP. Stellar is a really good coin I love a lot. EOS. These are really inexpensive cryptocurrencies you can still get your hands on. You can still get your paws on this stuff for really inexpensive, okay? You can still go to CoinMarketCap, look at this stuff. When you can still get Cardano for 7 cents, Stellar for 10, 2 cents for Tron. Are you kidding me? 2 cents for Tron when it's up almost 10% on the day. You really can accumulate a lot of Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin or Dash when you're looking at $100 or $90 or $7,000. But a lot of this stuff, you can get a whole lot of duckies when it's a 7 cent or 20 cent, just to get some skin in the game and just to get some education. So, bull run is official. I think this is truly the start of something special, and all the negative headlines for this crazy bear market that we've been in for well over a year and a half, I think it's behind us. May is the start of the bull run. We got a lot of things coming. Matty Crypto cares about you guys. Leave me some comments. I will catch y'all on the B side. please subscribe, hit that post notification bell.